I'm James. I go to HSA Houston. I'm going to be a junior, and I finished my tiny water project. It took me pretty much the whole 6 weeks to finish. The hardest part about building it was the robot chassis because there were the material used. It was fragile at some parts, and so it would break easily. So that was the hardest part because there were some pieces that wouldn't fit together, so I had to think about how to replace the other pieces to use them to still finish our project. But the programming and the building of the circuits were, I'd say, the easiest part in my opinion because it was just simple programming and just putting wires together and soldering. So I'm going to demonstrate the robot. The problem with the robot is that it only has one sensor, so when it hits the edge at certain angles, it tends to fall off. But for the most part, it does its job and it stays off the edge. But for instance, right here, because the sensor is because there's only one sensor and it's only in the middle, the radius is not as wide as it could be if it had two sensors on the sides. So this is my project, and I'll be presenting it on Wednesday on parent night, and I'm really proud of it. It's worth the work put into it.